The lawyer is one of the most important people you have when you're doing a real estate closing, and your lawyer is your worst nightmare when you own properties. The reason being, we just bought this property a couple of weeks ago, and if you look around, you see there's quite a few potholes and broken curbs and trip hazards. You have to be very careful of this because you will get sued. And I know a lot of people are going to say, well, I have insurance, and that's what I have insurance for. But what you got to know is your insurance has something called the loss run. And what a loss run means is the more times you get sued, the more you're going to pay for insurance. The more times you get sued, the less likely you're going to get insurance. And by the way, a lot of these policies have deductibles you're going to pay. So whenever we take over a property, we immediately get out there and assess the situation, and we try to mitigate anything we can. It's almost impossible to cure every single thing because something will always pop up. But when you see a property like this with multiple trip hazards and property issues, you got to fix that. Because if someone trips and falls in this parking lot, not only is the lawyer going to say they fell here, they're going to say the whole place was a mess. And by the way, when you go to court like that, you're probably going to lose. If your property is pristine and you got good lighting and no trip hazards, the benefit will fall to you. So be careful with your properties. Make sure you have insurance. And remember, the lawyer is your best friend on the closing day, not after you own it. So be careful.